Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Gmail time zone. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust your Google account's time zone using the calendar settings, which also updates how times appear in Gmail. Start on your computer in a web browser and open your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to update. This process works best on desktop, where all options are clearly visible. Look to the top right of the Gmail window and click the grid icon made of 9 small dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. It opens a panel with shortcuts to the main Google services. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually near your profile picture. Give the page a moment to load the icons if your connection is slow. From that Apps panel, locate Calendar and select it. We're using Google Calendar because your time zone setting there is used across Google services, including Gmail. Updating it in Calendar ensures email timestamps and event times stay consistent. Once Calendar opens, you should see your calendar view. In the top right corner of Calendar, click the gear-shaped Settings icon. This reveals a small menu with configuration options. Choose Settings from that menu to open the full settings page. You'll move from your calendar view to a page with a sidebar on the left and detailed options on the right. In the left sidebar, find and select time zone. It's typically listed under the General section. Opening this area shows your current primary time zone and related options. This is where you make the change that affects how times display in both Calendar and Gmail. Now select your desired time zone from the drop-down. You can pick by region or search for a major city in your area to make sure daylight saving adjustments are handled correctly. As soon as you choose a new time zone, the change usually applies automatically. There's no separate save button. Your existing events will shift to reflect the new local time, and when you return to Gmail or refresh the page, email timestamps will align with that time zone as well. A couple of quick tips as you finish. Choose the time zone that matches your current location for accurate send and receive times in Gmail. If you travel often, you can return to this setting whenever you need to update it. After changing the setting, refresh Gmail to see the new times immediately. And if times still look off, double-check your computer's system clock to ensure it matches your intended location. That's it. You've updated the time zone that Gmail uses for displaying email times.